Recording in progress.
Hi, team. Good morning, everyone. So, team, see here in yesterday's session, we completed some equijoin queries. We completed, guys. In the equijoins, we discussed different types of queries using different tables. These are the queries yesterday's session we discussed, guys. So, anybody execute these queries? Anybody executed these queries? See. Now, so the next one is second type of join is non-equijoin. Second one is non-equijoin. So by using equijoin, what we discuss, what you learn. To retrieving data from more than one table single query, in join condition, we are using equal to operator. So that is called equijoin. What about this non-equijoin? Non-equijoin means to retrieving data from more than one table in a single query. To retrieving data from more than one table. Retrieving data from more than one table in a single query without using equality operator is called as non-equijoin. So retrieving data from more than one table in a single query without using equal operator. That is without using equal operator. So means in non-equijoins, join conditions are comparing with in non-equijoins, join conditions are comparing with the special operators. Sorry, comparing with greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, not between, etc. operators. Non-equijoins without using equal operator. That means remaining operators we can use. Okay, right. Here also we have the formula. The formula is common for any type of join. That is, if n tables are joined, there will be n minus 1 join conditions are required, guys. Okay, no? So write a query to display employee details and the corresponding each employee to display the employee details and corresponding each employee grades. And corresponding each employee grade. That is each employee grade. So grade means the grade is available in, we have the separate table we have. The table is salary grade table. Up to we know EMP, DEPT, we have one more table, salary grade table. See. So this is one of the predefined table defined by our Oracle database is provided. In this table, we have the grades and low cell, high cells. Grades and low cell, high cells. Right, guys. If the employee salary in between this 700 to 1200, if any employee salary between 700 to 1200, that employee grade is 1. If any employee salary 1200 to 1400, grade 2, like only. Okay, right. How to write this query? Select TMP dot star means in employee table. In employee table, all columns, comma, grade from EMP, comma, cell. Where cell between low cell and high cell. Where cell between low cell and high cell. So first taking employee salary. What is first employee salary? 900. 900 between 900 okay. So low cell, high cell. Low cell, high cell means here. 900 between in this range, yes. 700 to 1200, yes, 900 between, right? So grade 1 displays. Second cell is taking. 1700 is taking. 700 is between low cell, high cell. How much? Here. Here. Yes. Grade 3. Like only it displays, guys. Okay. Here. Employee data and corresponding each employee grades. This is the query, guys. This is the query. Okay. Next one is example for, are you using any equal to operator in joint condition? See, this was one of the joint condition, right? Because one column belongs to employee table, these two columns belongs to salary table. Here we are placing where condition. This is the joint condition. But in the joint condition, are you using any equal to operator? No. That is called non-equi job. Now, example for equi plus non-equi. Example for equi plus non-equi. That is. Example for equi plus non-equi. So write equi. To display employee name, department name, and corresponding employees grades. Employee name, it is in employee table. D name, available in department table. Grade is available in salary grade table. Now here we are joining 3 tables. Okay. So if the 3 tables are joined, 3 minus 1, 2 joint conditions required. Minimum 2 joint conditions. So select E name, D name, grade from EMP, DEP, SAP. But you are asking one question, sir, why you are not using here alias? See, here alias is not required because these what are the columns right now you are selecting? These are unique column names, right or wrong? What you are selecting column names? That column names are unique column names, no? So that's a preceding column names aliases are not required. Okay. If you are selecting DEPT and O, then it is required preceding table name is required. Okay. Because DEPT and O is the common column name. That is. Where emp.deptno is equal to deptno. This is the equi-join query. Equi-join and first I join the two tables properly. This table I join. And shall between low cell and high cell. Shall between low cell and high cell. Shall is taking, this is a non-equi-join, this is a equi-join. Okay. Right. See. This is the query class. Suppose to display grade 1 employees. To display grade 1 employees, employee details. So select E name common grade from EMP comma shall grade, where shall between low cell and high cell. Up to here non-equi-join. Right around. Here I join two tables, 2 minus 1, one join condition. Here I read one join condition. But once I execute this, what happens, guys? Once execute this query, then what happens? Employees and corresponding grades displays. All employee names and grades, but I want to display only grade 1 only. So, and grade equal to 1. That is grade 1 employees are Smithu, Adams, James. These are the grade 1 employees. But based on the query requirement, what happens? I write down here one more condition, here I write down. I write down one more condition, here I write down. Right. These are the non-equations. Third one is Cartesian job. Third one is Cartesian. So retrieving data from more than one table. So retrieving data from more than one table in a single query. So retrieving data from more than one table in a single query without using any conditions is called as Cartesian. So retrieving data from more than one table in a single query without using any conditions. That is non-equational. Cartesian means there is no where clause. But we are fetching the data. Sir, without where condition, how we are fetching the data? Yes, we can fetch the data without using where class also in joins. But see the output is, we discuss that. Okay. Next one is right. That is called Cartesian join. So retrieving data from more than one table in single query without using any conditions. So Cartesian join is also called as cross join. Okay. And also, see one example, guys. Select star from EMP comma DEP. Enough, guys. This is the example of Cartesian join. Select star from EMP comma DEP. Okay. So once it executes this query, what is the output, guys? The output is here there is no where class. That means here there is no filtering data, right or wrong. Generally, the where class main functionality to filter the data. The where class main functionality to filter the data, right or wrong. But here we are not using any where condition. Then what happens now? From department table, it is taking a first record. See. Department table, this is the employee table. So from department table, first record is taking, displaying with all employee records. Second record is taking, displaying with all. Third record is taking, displaying with just like one. Just like one. Okay. So how many records comes? 4 into 14. Totally 4 into 14 means 56 records are coming. See here, 56 records. Here. First, taking 10th department, displays with all employees. Next, 20 is taking, displays with all employees. 30 is taking, 40 also. Same like, guys. Same like. This is the class job. That line 200 error. See? Okay, guys. This is. So, this is the example. That's why Cartesian also called as cross join, we can call cross join. Right. Here on formula is there. If table 1, this is interview question also, guys. If table 1 contains 8 rows, comma, table 2 contains 8 rows, then cross join output is output is 64 rows. That is 8 into 8. That is guys 64. 8 into 8, 64. Okay, guys, this is. But where can you exactly use this cross join? See, guys, to write any type of join queries, either equi, non-equi, outer or sub joins, first internally the system will do cross product. Suppose, see guys, one simple example. This is a cross join query. Na? Here I write down where emp dot dept and go equal to dept dot dept and go. This is equation output. From this cross join, just I add the where condition. Okay. Here what happens now, once you try to execute this query, first we know the order of execution of select statement. First one is executed, first from clause is executed. Next where clause. From clause means first it is taking data from employee table, department table. That is cross producted. Means internally 56 records are coming internally. Out of 56 records, based on this where condition, only 14 records are displayed. Okay. Suppose here I'm using 3 tables. Selector. We write down already today. E name, D name, grade. Right or wrong? Here, what I write down here? From salary grade, we write. And one more condition we write under sal between low sal and high sal. Right? So it displays output. But thing is, internally, 14 rows into 4 rows into 5 rows. Totally 256 records are coming internally. 256 records. That is, guys. Okay, na? Based on this where condition, only 14 records are displayed. This is a cross join. Internally, how it is executed, we can see directly by using this cross join, guys. Okay, na? Right. Next, fourth type of join is outer joins. Outer joins, the fourth type of joins are outer joins. Outer joins means by using equijoins, it displays matching rows. Right or wrong? By using equijoins, only matching records are displayed. But sometimes we have unmatched records from employee table, or sometimes we have unmatched records from department table also. But how to display those records? How to display those records? By using outer joins, it is possible. By using outer joins, it is possible. Okay. So how it is now? We are discussing one by one. So outer joins means to retrieving data from more than one table. Okay. In these joins, first it displays matching records from table 1, comma, table 2. Matching records are displayed. And unmatched records from both the tables. In these joins, first it displays matching records from table 1, table 2. Plus and unmatched records from both tables, unmatched records are displayed. Right. Now, let's say outer joints are either table 1 or table 2 or both tables. It displays in this joint first displays match records from table 1, table 2 and unmatched records from table 1 or table 2 or both tables. Then it displays. Right. So outer joints are classified into three types. One is right outer joint. Second one is left outer joint. Third one is two outer joint. These are the three types. Right outer joint, left outer joint, and full outer joint. First right outer joint. In these joints, first it displays matching records from table 1 comma table 2 and unmatched records from the right side of the table on joint condition. So in joint condition, which table we are placed right side? From that right side table, unmatched records are displayed. Also, before going to this right outer joint, from Varikil 10G onwards, outer is represented with plus symbol. That is outer represented with plus symbol. Right. So in this right order, what happens? He displays matched records from table 1, table 2, and unmatched records from right side of the table on joint condition. Right. Now, one example. Generally, Pushpesh, generally in outer joints, we can join two tables. If you try to join more than one table also, more than two tables also, you can join, no issue. The number of conditions are increased. But here I had taken on two tables, right now here taken an example to understand purpose. Okay, now you can join not only two tables, you can join more than two tables also, you can join. Okay. Now, see guys, this is the two tables we know already. I want to display in which departments no employees are working. In which departments no employees are working. I want to display that records also. Okay, means write a query to display in which departments. Write a query display in which departments no employees are working. So along with the equation output, I will display this one also. Okay. To display employee data, corresponding department data, and which departments no employees are working. Means both tables unmatched records I want to display. Right. How to display the output items? First, we can join the two tables properly by using equi. Select emp dot or select star from emp comma dept, where emp dot dept no equal dep dot dept no. This is the equivalent query. Okay, only matched records are displayed, but I want display unmatched records in department table also, sir. Because in which department no employees are working? Suppose department 10 employees are working. Yes. 20. Yes. 30. Yes. 40. No employees. 40 no employees. In 40 department, no employees are working. Okay? Right, guys. So, how to display? Here I place plus symbol. Here I place the plus symbol here. Plus represented outer, na? So, it displays matched records from employee table and department table, plus unmatched records from right side table. Which is right side table, guys? The right side table is department table, right side table, right or wrong? So, department table unmatched records are displayed. First match record displays, guys. Lastly, observe this. Here, no employees are working in 40 department. Okay, that is. Right. See here, you should remember one thing. Once you place the plus symbol left side, that is called right outer side. It displays unmatched records from right side table. Okay. Once you place the plus symbol left side, then that becomes as the right outer join. Okay, you should be remember this one. Right. Next one is left outer join. In these joins, first it displays matching records from both tables. and unmatched records from left side of the table. On join condition. In these joins, displays matched records from both tables plus unmatched records from left side of the table on join condition. Join condition left side table, unmatched records are displayed. Right. Then query here, just I change left side, right side I place the plus symbol. But see guys, in real time, actually in real time, nobody not using this plus symbols actually. We have that another type of syntax we have. Okay, now we have another type of syntax we have actually. Okay, but this is from Oracle 10G onwards. It is from Oracle 10G onwards. It is right, guys. But see, you look at the output is exactly similar to equijoin. Why it is equijoin displays? Because in employee table, what are the employees are working? Employees are working, those departments are available in department table, right or wrong? 20 is available department table, na? 30 is available, na? 10 is available, na? Right. Here there is no unmatched depart numbers compared to department table. If employee table contains 50, 60, 70. 50, 60, 70. Those are unmatched records compared to your department table. Compared to your department table. That is. Okay. Right. But 99% left side are equijoin only. Why, sir? If tables are maintaining here, if joining tables are maintaining primary key and foreign key constraints, then if join tables are maintaining primary key and foreign key constraints, then left outer join returns equijoin also. Okay. Right. Why, sir? Because we know primary key foreign key concept, na? Suppose department table department number is a primary key, employee table department number is a foreign key. Means what are recruiting employees? The employee department should be available in department table. Right or wrong? 100%. That is. Suppose I told you insert 50 here. 50 is checking from department table. 50 is available here? No. At the time of inserting, you will get error. So what you are inserting department numbers here, that should be matched with the department tables are. When joining tables are maintaining this primary key and foreign key, guys. Constraints. Okay, guys? That is important. That's why it runs equation output. Right, guys. So, guys, Monday, no session, guys. Okay. Monday, there is no session. Okay. Next session on Tuesday, we have the session. So, if the joining tables are maintaining this primary key, foreign key constraints, then left join returns equation output only. Okay, guys. But what about this? Next one is full outer join. Full outer join means both right outer join and left outer join. Full outer join means it displays matching records from both tables and unmatched records from matched records from table 1, table 2 for table 1, comma table 2 and unmatched records from both tables. Generally, what are thinking, guys? If you want to write that full order join, generally we are thinking that you can place plus symbols both sides. That is a full order join. But here, you will get error. You will get error because plus symbol is supported either right side or left side only. Both sides are not supported. Okay. But how to write the left outer join? See. Full outer join. Full outer join. Full outer join is equal to right outer join plus left outer join. That is the formula. Full outer join is equal to right outer join plus left outer join. Plus means this output plus this output. Both outputs we can call as full outer join. So we can add two outputs. So if you want to add two outputs, then we have one concept is that we discussed already in pseudo columns topic. To join the outputs, which operators we are using, guys? To join the outputs of select statements, which operators to use? Anybody? Which operator to use to join the outputs of select statements? Here I give one hint. Select star from EMP. This is one output. Select star from EMP where DEP and we equal to. This is one output. This is another output. Both outputs I want to combine. Both outputs I want to combine. I want to join. Which operators to use? Set operators. Union, union, intersect minus. We discussed only union minus are discussed in pseudo columns topic. Okay. Here, this output, union, this output. Yes. Both outputs are combined. The above returns 3 records. Below returns 5 records. 3 plus 5, 8 records are coming. Both outputs are joined. Right. Right. So we are using union operator right now. What is the meaning of union? It is one of the set operators. Set operators are used to join outputs of select statements. Set operators are used to join the outputs of select statements. So union operator, it displays matching records from query 1 and query 2 at one time, and unmatched records from both queries. Union operator main function displays matching records from query 1 and query 2 at one time, and unmatched records from both queries. This is. See one example we know already. We have one set case. In the set we have some data. In B set we have some data. I want to do A union B. A union B. What output A union B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So both sets now matching element displays only one time, and unmatched from both. Here unmatched this one, here unmatched this one. Or else here remove this one. Okay, this is 1 is unmatched from A, 6 is unmatched from yes, both are displays. This is. So the same formula will also is applicable. Simple guys. Here I write down first right outer join. I write down. First here I write. Right outer join and left outer join. First here I discuss two joins output separately first of all. Observe this. Right outer join, no employees are working 40 na right. But right left outer join displays match. Now observe this from the both outputs. For both outputs, first 14 records are common. First 14 records are fixed. So matching records, matching record displays only one time. Yes, on the 16. Matching record displays only one time, plus unmatched records from right outer join, plus unmatched records from left outer join also, if it is available. This is called a full outer join. This is a full outer join. Okay. Now, these are the Oracle 10G join syntaxes right now what to discuss. Okay. We have that ANSI joins also, we have different syntaxes, ANSI joins or Oracle 9A joins. So these are, we discuss after completing joins concept, those syntaxes also we discuss, because in real time some developers, they are using that type of syntaxes. But outputs are same, functionality same, only the syntax is different. Okay. ANSI joins also we discuss one by one. So the next one is guys self join. Self join next. Up to here we are joining employee DEPT, employee salary grade, bank master, bank transaction, customer table, bank master. Different tables right now we are joining. But in the self join means to joining the tables, itself is called as self join. Means in from class from class, both tables are same. That is called a subjoin. Okay. So to write self-join queries, we must use table aliases. Table aliases are mandatory. To write self-join queries, we must use table aliases. That is, we must use table aliases. Right. We know table alias is not required to discuss, na? We know table alias. C. Shall start from select employee number, comma, unit. Employee number, comma, unit. From EMP, comma, EMP I write. Both tables are same. This is called self-join. So once you write this query, you got error, ambiguity error. Because common column names we have, right or wrong? Table names are common, na? Column names are common. Na? Okay, to differentiate that, I write down table aliases, table names preceding I write down EMP dot. Here, what I write down? EMP dot, na? Because tables are same, right or wrong? Column names are same, and table names also same. Again, we got error. If the table is different, no problem. But table names are same, column names also same. Here also repeated, na? Yes, exactly repeated. This is ambiguity error. That's why table aliases are mandatory. Table aliases means one table name I take as M or E1. Another table name I take as E2. Employee table 1, employee table 2. Here we can access E1 dot, E1 dot, E2 dot, E2 dot. Now it is executed, guys. 196 records are coming, guys. Now it is valid. Now it is valid. This is. Okay? It is valid. Right. But what are the queries to write by using this self-join? We discuss the coming session, we'll discuss, guys. Okay? So Monday has no session, guys. Next session on Tuesday we have the session. Okay? Fine. So any doubts, guys? Try to complete what I yesterday discussed: bank master, customer master table, bank transaction table. Create the tables and do the practice. Okay. If you have any errors, if any errors are coming, what we discuss the queries, just tell me. Okay, we can modify that. Okay, guys. Right.
Recording stopped.